Melissa and Nikki here. I am here in the Toy Story Splash Zone on the beautiful new Disney Wish, and I want to take you for a tour. So the Splash Zone is for kiddos that are up to 6 years old. No lifeguard on duty, even though there is one in there now. But such a fun play area. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Nikki. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. It would be my pleasure to assist you and book your next Disney cruise. Book your cruise with a Disney expert. You won't miss a thing. See you real soon. This is the Toy Story Splash Zone. So fun. Oh my goodness. So fun. Pizza Planet. Lots of little ones having so much fun. It's a big area. I love it. I think I might get splashed. So much fun. Oh, there's Jessie. There's Woody. There's Bo Peep. So fun. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so fun for your little one. Lots of fun stairs up and a slide that goes down, and water everywhere. So fun. Oh my goodness. I love, you never know when a fountain's gonna come up. Here's Buzz.